what do we hear? A moo from the cow, nice and clear. The cow goes moo, the cow goes moo. Say it with me, you can too. A pig goes oink, a pig goes oink. Rolling in mud at the muddy point. Oink oink here and oink oink there. Little pink piggies everywhere. Animals here, animals there, making sounds everywhere. Clap your hands, tap your feet, sing the sounds and feel the beat. A dog goes woof with a happy tail, wiggling with joy on the farmy trail. The dog goes woof, wagging so proud, let's all bark really loud. The duck goes quack in the little pond, splashing feet and swimming beyond. Quack quack here and flap flap there, feathers flying in the air. Animals here, animals there, making sounds everywhere. Clap your hands, tap your feet, sing the sounds and feel the beat. The cat goes meow, so soft and sweet, tiptoes quiet on little feet. Meow meow now, curl in a ball, cuddly kitty loves to call. The horse says neigh and trots so fast, galloping by as we wave past. Neigh neigh here, neigh neigh zoom, riding horses go vroom vroom vroom. Now we know just what they say, let's sound them out and shout hooray! Moo, oink, woof and meow, neigh and quack, we know them now. Clap your hands, tap your feet, animals dancing to the beat. Sing the sounds, don't miss a line, it's animal party time. Wave goodbye, the sun goes down, happy friends from all around. We sang, we danced, we learned today, animal sounds, hip hip hooray!